your book coaching business with the victory wall. Hi, my name is Anne and I help writing coaches get more clients. In this video, I will share with you a powerful tool that will boost your confidence, celebrate your achievements, and create a positive coaching environment. I am talking about your victory wall. Now, setting up a victory wall is very simple. All you need is an empty space in your work environment. This can be a wall, a whiteboard, or even just a simple sheet of paper, and some very basic supplies. So the basic supplies that can be, like I do, a pen and a little post-it. Once you have your space and your supplies, you're going to brainstorm on all the milestones that you have gone through over the last couple of months and years. For example, this can be a client testimonial. It can be a picture of a writer's workshop that you've done. It can also be launching your website, print it out, put it on your victory wall. And yes, indeed, each time you have a milestone, you take your little post-it and you will write down the description of that event. Now, two things to keep in mind here: make it a very clear description with a precise date. You want to still remember what you're actually talking about in a couple of years down the road. Once you've done that, that's it. You have your victory wall. Now you can go as crazy as you want. You can put on pictures, post-its, color itself, or why not, even paint it, whatever you want. The most important thing is that this is a place in your work environment that when you arrive in the morning or in the afternoon or wherever you start your computer and you see it first thing. Taking a couple of seconds in front of your victory wall will help you to remember how far you have come in your business. This will be especially important when you have a little bit of a low moment in your business. You might think you haven't been able to achieve anything that week, but then turn to your victory wall and you see what you have already done. And that's it, my dear book coaches. You have now put in place your very own victory wall. One extra tip before we leave. You can use your victory wall as a way of engaging with your clients or your potential leads. Why not share with them your successes and show what you have been able to do in your business and how you can also help them to achieve that same success? Remember that every single milestone or success, however small it might be, is one that deserves a recognition. Keep coaching, keep going, and keep celebrating. If you want to have this information straight in your email box, feel free to subscribe. You will find the link below this video. And if you're already subscribed, well, share the love and share this video with another book coach that might need to hear this today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.